As Terry here at D-Lab, I'm going to show you how to reduce power supply hum coming from your amplifier. In this case, we're going to concentrate on a Fender 5F2 design. So if you listen closely, you'll hear the 5F2's low-level hum that I'm referring to. Now I'm going to install the power supply change and we'll retest. In this case, I've installed a 230 ohm 10 watt resistor. Let's listen to the hum level. Pretty much non-existent. Take your own backside. There is the resistor strapped across the first and second filter capacitor, which eliminates that low level hum. If you refer to the diagram, you'll see the change is fairly simple. You're going to change the first filter capacitor from the 16 to a 22 microfarad cap. You're going to remove the jumper between the first and second filter cap, and you can either install a 200 to 250 ohm 10 watt resistor or a 4 Henry 100 milliamp choke, and that will reduce the power supply hum significantly. Alright, well, here is a quick tidbit of information regarding the tone response of the Fender Princeton amp 5B2 or 5F2 design. If you take a look at the stock diagram, you'll see a 500 puff cap going to the center of the volume control. And what that does is gives this amp a nasally sound, which you cannot adjust out with a tone pot. So the answer is to reconfigure it per this new diagram, where you're going to have a sweeping tone system. So the center of the tone goes to the high side of the volume control, and you are actually sweeping between the 0047 or the 500 puff cap. And this is what Fender did in later designs. You can incorporate that in this amp pretty easily by just rearranging components, putting the 500 puff cap down on the eyelet board, change the value of the tone pot from 1 meg to 500K. It really makes this amp come to life. Take a listen.
What's the volume on, by the way?
About 7. Crank her up a little more volume-wise. Alright, so now Tony's playing the 5F2, which is a Tweed Fender Princeton design with a Ragin Cajun speaker.